Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down in the comments down below how your day is going. Mine's doing great. Every time I say it, I sound like Tony the Tiger. Anywho, my mailman brought me like 4 or 5 boxes today. Well, actually 4 to be exact. So I am a happy camper. So if you read from my title, you know I am unbagging or unboxing the July 2019 IPSY Plus. So I'm excited. If you don't know about this, this is a $25 a month subscription. So you have the regular IPSY, which is $10, and then you can always upgrade to the IPSY Plus for $25. Now, a lot of people do ask me, so you do have to have the regular IPSY first, the $10 bag, for at least a month in order to upgrade to the IPSY Plus. So in other words, you can't just go in there and get the IPSY Plus. You have to be a member of the regular IPSY first. And then once you update it, they'll ask you if you just want to get the IPSY Plus, which is $25, or do you want to get both of them, the IPSY Plus and the bag. So you have that option. All right, so here is the IPSY Plus. Like I said, I'm repeating myself, it is $25 a month. And make sure you watch this whole video because there may or may not be a giveaway in this video. And before I forget to, we did just get over a few giveaways and there were 5 winners all together. And I haven't mailed everything, but everything is boxed up and will go out first thing Monday morning. So expect your packages to be there next week. And I'm so excited for you guys again. All right. So when you open up it says Glam Bag Plus. Now, I've said this in a lot of videos, and I know a lot of people do. When this first came out, you got the bags. And then I think it was like every 3 months you would get like a new makeup bag. And they were pretty good, but they stopped doing that so they can put more value into the products. So I wish they would just take off the bag. I don't know, like maybe they have so many of them, they have to use this up first. So it's just IPSY Plus. And when you open it up, it looks like that right there. There's a little peeky peek. All right, put that down very easily so I don't shake the camera. So you always get like a little brochure that tells you what everything is in here and it also gives you prices, which I like. So let me open this up. All right, so I'm going to pull out the first thing that I see, and this is from Touch and Soul. This is a Waterful Glow Cream, which I have not tried, and I am so excited to get this. I love getting skincare, but to be honest, all of the subscription boxes are so much skincare now. It's like I'm kind of like up to here in skincare. Like I'm almost drowning in skincare. All right, so, oh, that's pretty. So this says Pretty Filter right there. This is really, really pretty. This is, I believe it's either, I think it's glass or maybe hard plastic. I don't know. So it has a safety seal, which is good. Now let's open it up so I can see what it looks like. Oh, it has a pleasant scent, but it's like a pinkish purple color. All right. So that's pretty good. So let's read up a little bit about this puppy and see what it's all about. I'm gonna put it right there. All right, so this would be valued at $38, and it says, looking for the most innovative skincare? Look to K-Beauty brands, which Touch and Soul is a K-Beauty brand. Like Touch and Soul, this lightweight cream is formulated with hyaluronic acid and hyaluronized collagen to plump, firm, and moisturize your skin. And I definitely need all that. It says, tip, after applying your toners, serums, and other skincare products, massage a dime-sized amount to your skin and tap to help it absorb. All right, so we're 1 for 1. I'm definitely excited. All right, the next thing is from Gerard Cosmetics, and this is a mascara. Now, I've only got one thing that I've ever tried in Gerard Cosmetics, and I actually got in a subscription box, and that's why I love subscription boxes, because you get to try brands that you, A, never heard of, or things that you maybe can't afford and it's in a subscription, or maybe you look at it and you're not interested in, but then you try and you love. I know there's a lot of people that may not like subscription boxes because they get things they don't like and they rather just have their money to go buy that particular item, but me, I love it. And we got, I think it was in the FabFitFun, it was like a Thrive Cosmetics, like a highlighter and a pencil, and I really like it. So I heard really good things about this. I'm not gonna open it right now because I have so many mascaras right now. I don't want this to go bad, but I believe this is like a fiber, yeah, liquid lash extensions mascara. So I'm definitely excited to get that. All right, and let's see how much that puppy is. All right, so that would be $24, and about the prices that a lot of the mascaras are now, higher end. It says a single swipe of this volumizer lengthening mascara will even help make sparse lashes look like extensions. It comes with an innovative comb-shaped wand that adds definition. I really need to get my glasses. And separates lashes and all that. So this is what the wand looks like right there. And my favorite mascara is by Benefit, is the Big Gal Bang, if I'm saying that right. I always mess that up. And it has the wand just like that. So I think I'm really gonna like it. All right, the next thing we got is this Pixi Glow Mist right there. And this, I know what this is. I've seen it in the stores. I haven't tried it. And you can see like the oils right there. And you have to make sure you shake this up. So when you shake it up, it all mixes up. And then you, you spray it. All right, so that's $15. It says step up your summer glow with this lightweight mist. It's formulated with 13 natural essential oils like rose flower and lavender, aloe vera, and fruit extracts to set your makeup, hydrate, protect, and give your skin a gorgeous dewy finish. Now, what I like about these, I don't know if setting sprays really make your makeup last longer, but what I like these for is, like, I love the Slay All Day by Gerard Cosmetics. I have a code for them, Just I'll leave it right here, and you can save 30% off anytime you purchase from Gerard Cosmetics. But this is one of my favorites, and what I do is after I put my foundation on my concealer, I go in with the powder, and then I'll spray it, and I'll take my dampened beauty blender and I'll push it in. I like really push it in, and it takes all that like cakiness or the powdery look, and it like melts into it. And then what I'll do when I'm done doing my bronzer, blush, all that kind of stuff, I'll go in again either with something like this or something like this that has a little dewy finish and spray it, and then again go in with that sponge and push in it, and I find it works really well. All right, so I'm excited to get that. And then we go from Huda Beauty. This is a 3D highlighter palette. We just got the Allure was created with Huda. So right there. All right, what you be? All right, so this is the 3D highlight palette in Pink Sands. I know there were 3 different colors you could have got. And this values for, holy crap, $45. All right, so let's see what it looks like. This packaging is really pretty. All right, so that's what it looks like. And when you open it up, so it doesn't come with the mirror, but look at that, guys. That's really pretty. All right, so these are the colors. I'm gonna do some swatches right there. So I guess it went by your, your skin tone. So we got Capri, Santorini, Torini, Azores, and Ibiza. I don't know if I'm saying that right, guys. All right. So these, oh, this is cream. This one here is a cream. This right there. All right. So that's pretty good because what you can do is you go with the cream first and then go over it with the powder. So that's pretty cool. All right. So let's swatch. Wow, that cream is really nice. All right. So these are the colors right there. I don't know if you can see with my lights. I hope you can. But it's really pretty. Let's see if I have a brush around. Do I have a brush? I may not, because I was going to put some on, but I don't have one. But I'm going to go in with my finger, and I'm going to use this shade right here. This like golden shade. And let me get a mirror right here. Right there. And let's see. Let's see. Whoa. Wow. That is like blinding. Holy crap. I'll have to go after this video and go in and blend that out. Now that is a highlighter. All right, so we have that. And then last but not least, we have from Benefit. This is Benetint. And I won't use this. So this I'm going to put in a giveaway. And the giveaway will be right now along with some other things I will show you. So this is a cheap and lip stain valued for $30. So I'm not going to open it. I will show you. It's like a reddish color. I'd rather give it to one of you guys that may get some use out of it. I know I definitely won't use it. And to open it up and swatch it and then I don't use will just go to waste. So if you made it to the end, this will be in a giveaway. Like I said, it will start today. And also, so I did my Boxycharm. I always get one sent to me, and then I have my own. So I always get 2 Boxycharms. So this is the one that I got that I paid for. And I got variation 2, and the one that was sent to me, I got variation 2 as well. So I am going to put the palette that we got, the Butter London palette. I don't want to open it because once you open it starts the date. So you will get this from Benefit, the Butter London palette. You will get the, oh, almost dropped that, the makeup brushes. You will get the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. And then you will get the gel liner in Taupe, Desert Taupe. You did get a lip gloss that came in there from Alamar, and I kept that. It was a different shade than I got. This one, I got a cream one. The other one was like a clear one. So I kept that one. So let's go over again what you will be getting. You'll get the liner. You will get the Benefit right there. You get the Elemis mask. And you will get the Butter London eyeshadow palette. So you will get 5 things. So it will start today. And I'm going to give this to, let's see, this is July. I'll give it to July 19th. That is my son's birthday. So on July 20th, I will go in and pick a winner. The only thing that you have to do is you have to like this video because it does help me out, or dislike it if you don't like it, as long as you rate the video. So either like it or dislike it. You have to be subscribed because it's given back to you guys. Because guys, I would not be able to do these giveaways if it wasn't for you guys supporting me, watching my videos, commenting. I mean, so I love giving back to you guys. So you have to be subscribed. It's Open Up International. All my giveaways are always up international because you guys support me too. So I can't, like, you know, I can't be biased on that. And you have to watch this video all the way through. That is a must. You have to do it, and you have to comment. You can comment anything that you want because I will go through a comment picker, and you can enter as many times as you want. So if you want to comment 20 things, you are free to do that. The more you comment, the more you have a better chance of winning, because remember, I said you go buy a comment picker. So like I said, you just have to rate this video, either like it or dislike it. You have to watch this video entirely, and you have to be subscribed, and you also have to leave a comment, and you can enter as much as you want. I will pick the winner on, it ends on the 19th, so on the 20th, I will do the comment picker and make a video and let you guys know who won. And that's everything. I do want to thank you guys. I really, really appreciate and want to thank you guys for always supporting me, watching me. It touches me so much, and so I really enjoy giving back all the time, as much as I can. I wish every video I upload I could do a giveaway. All right, so that's everything, guys. I really love you, and I just, like I said, let me stop because I'm babbling, but I really, really want to thank you guys. All right, that's it, guys. I will leave. I almost forgot how I ended my video. As always, I will leave videos right here if you want to watch more of me. I love you guys so, so, so much, and I will see you in my next giveaway. My next video. Bye.